they are bold and well taught in arms, and have lowered the pride of the Genoese, whom they keep shamed and underground. Therefore I will always love the honor of Pisa, for they have lowered the perfect proud ones. For the mere annoyance of the baseball bonos breaks my heart and shatters it and crushes 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 it. Germans too base and vile, and when any pretends to be courteous, it is mortal burning anger and annoyance to me, and their speech sounds like the barking of a dog. Therefore I do not wish to be Lord of Friesa, where I would often hear the yelping of the annoying ones. Rather I wish to be among the joyful Lombards, near my lady who is white and smooth and live. And since Montferrat and Milan are mine, to my arm I cast away Germans and Thuringians. And if Richard, king of the English, believe me, in a short hour he would take back with his hands the kingdom of Palermo and of Riesa. For his ransom conquered it of myself, I say. If it were not for the Marquis, I do not value a torn shirt at 5 marks. Now may God and Saint Julian lodge me in the sweet land of Canaves, for I will not return to Provence at all, since Lanery and Dalands welcome me here. And if I can have her whom I have so sought, let the worthy king and foe stay there, for I will make my verses and my songs here for the most beautiful that ever was sought for love. I would well wish peace for them and for the Pavacy, and that Lombardy might be in defense against crooked ribalds and evil rascals. Lombards, remember how Apulia was conquered, of the ladies and the worthy barons, how they were put into the power of low-born men, and of you they will make an even worse accounting there. I have so often sought you, that now each holds the other for annoying. I will stay as long as the gift is made, for she is more beautiful than ever was.